AI, simply explained, finally understood. Artificial intelligence, AI, explained simply and understandably in English. In a multi-part video, you will learn the key fundamentals, discover what AI is, and how it works. In a world where artificial intelligence increasingly shapes our everyday lives, a fundamental understanding of this technology is more important than ever. The following video provides a comprehensive, easily understandable introduction to the various types of AI, from language models to robotics, structured in 6 sequential parts. Part 1. Basics of AI and Overview. Hello, and welcome to my video series AI Simply Explained. My name is Krista Stuber, and as an AI enthusiast, I want to introduce you to the fascinating world of artificial intelligence in the upcoming videos, completely without complicated technical terms, and in a way that everyone can understand. And as you can see, AI is not perfect yet. The AI speaker sometimes gets the pronunciation mixed up, and in the AI images, you can see that spelling in images still has a lot of room for improvement. What is AI, actually? Before we go into detail, let's first clarify, what do we actually mean by artificial intelligence, or AI for short? Imagine teaching your computer or smartphone to do things that normally require a human brain. That is essentially AI. AI is the umbrella term for systems that are capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as understanding, learning, deciding, and solving problems. But be careful. Current AI systems are not truly intelligent in the human sense. They simulate intelligence through very sophisticated methods without actually understanding what they are doing. An important distinction: humans understand what they do and can think creatively. In contrast, AI always follows certain patterns that it has learned, even if these patterns can be extremely complex. The different types of AI. There are various types of AI systems. Let me give a brief overview before we delve deeper into the different types in the next videos. Weak AI versus strong AI. All current AI systems are weak AI. They are optimized for specific tasks. A strong AI, which could think and feel like a human, only exists in science fiction movies so far. Machine learning. This is a method where computers learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Imagine showing your computer thousands of pictures of cats, and eventually, it can independently recognize whether a new image shows a cat or not. Deep learning. A special form of machine learning that can recognize particularly complex patterns, similar to how our brain works. Language models, LLMs. Systems like ChatGPT, which can understand and generate human language, are based on these large language models. Robotics. Also known as robot technology, it deals with robots. In addition to industrial or service robots, it also involves humanoid robots and the creation of limbs, skin, facial expressions, and gestures, as well as natural language capabilities. AI is thus used in physical robots to enable movements and interactions with the real world. In the next videos, we will take a closer look at each of these types. A brief history of AI. AI is not a new invention. As early as the 1950s, scientists began working on thinking machines. There were repeated phases of enthusiasm, followed by disappointment when expectations were not met, the so-called AI winters. The breakthrough only came in the last few decades when the computing power of our computers massively increased and vast amounts of data became available. In 2012, a neural network named AlexNet was able to reliably recognize objects in images for the first time, and in 2016, AlphaGo defeated the best human Go player. These were milestones. And then came ChatGPT at the end of 2022, which could suddenly communicate with us in natural language. Since then, AI has become a hot topic and part of our everyday lives. Preview of the next videos. In our next video, we will take a closer look at how machine learning and deep learning work. That is, how computers actually learn. We will see how they can recognize patterns and why they need so much data for that. Later, we will deal with language models like ChatGPT, and robotics will also be an important topic. Finally, we will take a look at practical applications in everyday life and also discuss ethical questions. So, stay tuned and feel free to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any videos.